This enclosure is part of Firebox Arca cabinet series. It is made of polycarbonate material and comes with a mounting plate, 4 screws and a key. Thanks to the high IP rating, the high impact resistance and the UV resistance, the enclosure is well suited for harsh environmental conditions. Let's go through the features step by step, starting with the door. This light grey colored door can be opened to the left or to the right with an opening angle of 120 degrees. For secure closing, it is equipped with 3mm double bead locks and a door guide. The patent hinge design makes the assembly effortless and gives it a refined appearance. For proper waterproofing, there are mounting pots on the wide PUR gasket. And to make it robust, stable and solid, Firebox implemented a specially molded rib across the borders of the door and double corners. To know more about the enclosure and check for enclosure accessories, go to TME's website. Browse through more than hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.